Here's a Kmart hugger that is pretty much the Hampton Bay Littleton, but this was before the Littletons were designed. So I guess this is like pre-Littleton, I guess you can say. But it is a Kmart because it does have the Saturn stripes on it. But yeah, this is from 1994, so it's fairly old. I got this from Habitat, maybe about a month ago now. The glass on it's not original, that's just something I had in my closet. It had a giant schoolhouse globe on it. I got it, but I took it off because it just looked too absurd on it. So, chain's not original, that's off another fan. Same thing with the tassel. But yeah, we'll start up on low. As you guys can see, I have some new lighting in here. Blows a gentle breeze on low. Go on medium. This fan is not for sale, it has been sold to another collector. So if you're wondering, that's why. Okay, we'll go to high. The light does work. Which I'll end up putting a different light kit on that, because that's an SMC light kit and I don't have any. Surprisingly, this thing does not wobble. And it blows some really good air for a hugger. Okay, a little low. Whoops, off. Not low, we already did that. Yeah. Pretty good running fan. I thought it was a Hampton Bay when I first initially saw it at Habitat. And then when the guy took it down, I saw the Saturn stripes on it. So, yeah, it's a Kmart. It is labeled SMC on the motor, so it is a SMC product, but it's probably branded as Atlantic Air, because that was what Kmart used back in the day. But yeah, that's it, and until next time.